Classwork 6-5, number 3, says to solve the equation by factoring. This type of factoring concerns the difference of two squares. For the difference of two squares, if you have a squared minus b squared, the factoring rule says the factors will be a minus b and a plus b. These can go in either order, so a squared minus b squared, you could also say is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, because they're being multiplied, it comes out to be the same answer. And whether you put the negative first or the positive first, it comes out to be the same. Okay, so let's take a look. Our a squared is 25x squared. Okay, so one of the factors is going to have the square root of that. So the square root of 25x squared would equal 5x. The square root of 16 equals 4. So our factors are going to be 5x minus 4 and 5x plus 4 equals 0. If we set each of these factors equal to 0 and solve, okay, we would add 4 to each side on this one. So 5x equals 4, which means that x equals 4 over 5. On this one, if we subtract 4 from each side, 5x equals a negative 4. So x equals negative 4 over 5. So our two solutions are 4 over 5 and negative 4 over 5. Whenever we factor, the first thing we always want to do is take out the greatest common factor. So in this one, we still have a squared minus b squared will be factored into a plus b and a minus b in either order. Okay, but first we have to look and see if there's a greatest common factor. 50x squared and 18 are both divisible by 2. So if we take out a 2, we divide 2 into 50, that gives us 25x squared, and 2 into 18 is 9. Now we are going to factor this difference of two perfect squares. So the square root of 25x squared equals 5x, and the square root of 9 is 3. So that means that our factors are 2 on the outside still. The 25x squared minus 9 becomes 5x minus or plus 3 and 5x minus 3. Again, those can go in either order. Okay? So I could put 5x minus 3 and then 5x plus 3. So either order works. Okay, those are set equal to 0. When I solve those, 5x plus 3 equals 0. And 5x minus 3 equals 0. Subtract 3 from each side. And 5x equals a negative 3. So x equals negative 3/5. For this one, I add 3 to each side. So 5x equals a positive 3, which means that x equals positive 3/5. So my two solutions are negative 3/5 and positive 3/5.